Junfraujoch. Bienvenue dans le téléphérique 3S Allier Express, le plus moderne du monde. Dans 15 minutes, nous arriverons sur la station du glacier de l'Allier. D'ici là, profitez de la vue impressionnante sur la face nord de l'Allier et sur le monde enchanteur de la montagne. Nous vous souhaitons un séjour inoubliable dans la région de la Junfraujoch.
Beautiful. FYI, no filter. Very nice.
Wow, nice.
We're on the top of the world looking. Wow, beautiful.
Ay, ang ganda. Oh, tingnan mo yun. Oh. God. If you can only see the beauty of the nature. Hello guys, and welcome back to the second part of our Switzerland adventure. So, what and where is Junfraujoch located? It is actually called Top of Europe in the Swiss Alps mountain and the highest railway station in Europe. I decided to do it on our own because we can save a lot of money in doing this. The tour can cost you $274 US, and we only spent $130 US plus our Swiss Pass Unlimited ticket ride. You can purchase this online on their SBB website, so I strongly advise you to get it. The Swiss Pass can actually save you a lot of money because the train ride is very, very expensive, and with the pass, it can give you a limited ride wherever you go in Switzerland. You can actually purchase 3, 4, 5-day pass depending on your itinerary. They also have a second class ticket, but my hubby wants a more comfortable ride, so we purchased the first class ticket. And by the way, I'm only good in planning and researching travels and itineraries, but my hubby is the one who executes the plan. The travel from Zurich to Interlaken to Grindelwald Terminal is around 3 hours, but you won't even notice the time because of the view from outside and the comfortable first-class train ride. From Grindelwald Terminal, you will ride a gondola to the Eiger Express and a cargo train to Junfraujoch. Now, experience with us the amazing views from the Top of Europe adventure. Enjoy!
Wanna see Superman? No, it's not Superman. Baby shark, baby shark. Now we're dizzy.
thank you again guys for watching. Please subscribe.